Menelga Chesu, Utumim Koksadlo. So we are here, Sisugele Tepen, we come here to Zodlala, Sasusa Bafana, Emagubo, to come and play. And now when we got here, because Tina as a gospel, there's Nabadla about 11 aba eligible to play based on our rules. Kuna ma rules. Tournament in our rules. Akazayo ukuthi kumele kudlalwe kanjani. So one of the rules is the fact that kumele kudlalwe umuntu wesifazane because we're trying to accommodate abantu besifazane. Iqom they decided not to follow that rule. One. Number two, Utira says he claims ukuthi uzamele ukufaka intombazane egameni. I-rule ithi intombazane kumele ingene for a minimum of 10 minutes. Minimum, the minimum is ngani. Kumele intombazane idlale for 10 minutes. Bafaka intombazane ngo last 4 minutes. Mind you, they were already leading low game, which puts i-gospel at a disadvantage. Secondly, Utira ulethe ama professional players are 11. None of them i-rule ithi ama players must be ama artists. Melokube ukuthi bayacula banama album. Utira ulethe ama abafana aba 11 abadlala ibhola imawo angikuphazamisanga
so yonke into imile nje
imawo abantu aba 11 or soccer players abengamele badlala Utira bafakile, which puts us at a disadvantage. We scored the first goal, bas cover intombazane idlalanga. They scored the second half, intombazane still idlala. Tina we are at a disadvantage. Ama rules a tournament athi kumele ukudlala intombazane. I-committee yale cup le they ruled for i-gospel, but i-gospel kumele idlala. We are in a situation manje iqom abafuna ukuphuma grounding, and we are also saying we will not leave a grounding because based on the rules we should be playing.
Right, guys, I want to know, okay, Zulu, Tira, come through. Guys, I only want the 4 people involved here. We're live on air, guys. I can't do this and you can't be seen. So that decision must be taken here on the air. Big Zulu, we're live on air, so unfortunately I can't involve everybody else. The gentlemen here need to tell us, we want to show the game. We said we want to support this thing that you're doing. As the SABC and SABC Sport, we put resources and money behind this to show a game in the off-season. Are you guys then telling me, Ogoti, we have to play movie Chan Li? Ngoba nina ni decide ukuthi anizodlala umdlalo akho reasoning enzofika kuyona.
Now we have taken a decision ukuthi ama team wonke adlala ashama penalty. So that is over balance. Only 3 people from the team.
And then what then happens there? 3 teams take penalties. What? So ebedlale nenye ithathe, so because umaska
with hip hop. They're going penalties with people hip hop. They say so.
Is this something you guys are all agreeing on?
We're just trying, guys. Tumi udliwe cela usiphumela
Right, I don't want it to get like this and with you seeing this. So let's take an ad break. We'll talk when we come back. Take a quick break. Let's take a break.